I've never heard of that one. I'm a gynecologist and I'm here to rank feminine hygiene hacks. Oh yes, 10, 11, 15 out of 10. Coconut oil for sex, 100%. Better than lubrication, doesn't dry up as much, it's easy, over the counter, grocery store, the stuff you cook with, just probably not the granulated kind because that would hurt. But the regular coconut oil is excellent. I use it and recommend it to all my patients, especially postmenopausal women who have the hardest time. It's excellent. 0. Keep it simple. Don't really use anything extra on the vagina. Nothing with scent. 2. It's not needed. You don't need to do it. A bidet is usually to clean. So a bidet is fine, absolutely fine to do. I would say it's preference. So a 10, it could be a 10 if somebody likes it, but you don't have to do it. It's totally for cleaning purposes. And it doesn't go up the vagina, it just cleans around, and usually to clean after going number 2. 10 out of 10. If needed, it's great for the vagina. It helps to balance the pH. It can stop somebody getting recurrent infections if they have recurrent infections, and it's something that's over the counter. 10 out of 10. Oral probiotics, 10. I would say it's totally fine to do a probiotic. Is it 100% necessary? No, but it's great for gut health. It doesn't necessarily help the vagina, but I've had some patients that take a probiotic that say it helps their discharge. That's abnormal. I would say a 7. I don't think they're bad. I think if you try them and it works, it's great. But if you feel like you're getting a recurrence or it's not working, then you should come get checked and we need to do a urine sample to make sure we're treating it with the appropriate antibiotics. Oh, that's fine. 10, great. Preference, honestly. As long as somebody's not getting abnormal infections, however you sleep, underwear, no underwear, is absolutely fine. I've never heard of that one, Papaya to induce your period, but honestly, with things that don't cause problems, my philosophy is you can totally try it. I think it's fine. 50 out of 10. Always, always, always use condoms. There are so many infections out there. And unfortunately for women, although yes, most can be treated with antibiotics, some you cannot and you have forever, it can actually affect your fertility in the future. So please always use condoms. So those are my rankings, but make sure you're always asking your provider before using anything.